Good morning, guys. It is 7 o'clock on a Wednesday. Today we are going to Sunbelt. We are going to demobilize, get all of our equipment out of there. We do have some things to finish there. We have to do some brick infill, fix the front steps, a ramp that's going into the kind of warehouse building. That's all going to be change order work because it's all added after we originally did our contract and their new drawings. So while Will's over here being a dumbass, we got to form a spectrum box. We got to prep some bollards. So we have to go to Marysville, do 2 handicap ramps. We got to form 1 square sidewalk where a spectrum box was. Apparently Will's balding.
I'm not balding.
Yes.
Well, you got to shave the beard.
I'm not gonna shave the beard.
All right, shave the head.
I'm not shaving my head.
Matt and I are just pulling up to Sunbelt. Looks like Dell's here and the superintendent's here. And we are gonna demobilize everything here. Sweep up, clean. Did a lot of the cleaning yesterday, but looks like since we're done here, we're just gonna clean up and demobilize. Matt's up here grabbing scaffold from Will. Gonna load up all the scaffolding, get all put in here. Put the skid steer on the back. Leaving all of our material here because we're not done. We got to come back, like I said, install a ramp on this side of the building. I'll show you. These 2 last bays, they want a double door ramp, basically a ramp, concrete ramp that comes down. So it's going to be a footer, block walls. Then we're going to pour the ramp that gradually comes down to the asphalt so they can get in and out of there with a forklift. Then the front of the building over here, a step that the brick's just crumbling, half it's missing. I believe they're probably gonna have us demo it and kind of do a new design with the steps, probably lay new brick up and then pour steps for the entrance, because that is gonna be the entrance to their building. Clearing all this out, all this will be done. Leaving all this for when we get back. So they're loading the skid steer right now. Will's getting it on. We're all loaded up here at Sunbelt. Got our skid steer loaded up. Scaffolding, everything. Matt's getting the forks on the skid steer. Start loading up the scaffold. Gotta pick these up first. Then we'll start getting all the scaffolding stuff in here. They don't match our property. Put those on there so it can't fall down. So I put those cross braces on there. That can't fall back this way now.
Yeah, that'll work.
The shoring's going to the shop.
That answered my question. That's mine. Get your own. You gotta turn the sun down, man.
Sundown. I like it. Makes me feel like I'm working. Go work, Will. All right, we're loaded up. We're gonna be heading to Marysville. Gonna go demo some concrete. Got our jackhammer and everything. Got our forks, generator, skid steer. I don't know if we need our generator, but it is kind of out in the middle of nowhere. I mean, it's an apartment complex, but it's not near any power source. So throwing our jackhammer might need a big generator. So I'll cut at this control joint, remove this. Asphalt guy cut through the handicap mat. Then same thing down here. Here and see if this sidewalk would just cut and pops up. It should. It's only 4 inches. That saw definitely cut low enough. I'm gonna go over here and try to pop this up. Just like that, comes right up. quarry to get rid of our concrete. How's it going? Have to dump a couple squares of concrete.
You guys on the list to dump?
Not on the list, no.
We're not an approved, excuse me. We're not an open dump site anymore. If you guys want to get this filled out, get it sent in, there's an address on the back. So that way you don't run into this, especially when you're working up here.
Yep.
Then that way you're on the approved list to dump.
The quarry was the bust. I've been dumping concrete there for 10 years now. And now I guess the EPA stepped in and no longer allows concrete if you aren't a approved contractor. So now it just gave me some paperwork, and now I got to fill that out to be able to dump concrete. So we're gonna leave the concrete on site over here.
Wait till rain.
And then on a rain day, we're gonna come pick it up and take it to the other dump that allows it. Starting to think, I don't know if these are long enough.
I was questioning that when I was there. I was like, should I grab an extra one? I don't know.
This one definitely is not long enough. But we need more boards. I'll go to Lowe's. So last fall we poured all this. Coming all the way this way. They already cracked it. The guy setting the grade cracked it all. But come in here, does a weird little radius. The architect tried to get fancy, but one big circle here. Big radiuses. Come this way, there's the pool deck. All concrete. Nice pool, it'd be a great day to jump in the pool. I'm off to Home Depot. We were one board short. I didn't account for the cuts and the stabs we had to do to link the board together, so I got to go get one more board at Home Depot. Then we're going to finish forming that last square and then probably call it quits. Make this the quickest trip ever. Make it real quick.
Just do they're on the bottom there. I saw what you were walking. Yeah, probably. Whatever.
Yeah.
I was supposed to take it back down.
You backtrack that, or
Yeah, I just.
might be easier?
God.
Lower. Sharp.
We are currently leaving Marysville. I need to get gas. Skid steer needs diesel. Will's flatbed needs gas. So we're gonna go to the gas station over here. Head drop our skid steer off our yard area where the scaffold and all that is. And then head to the shop, unload my truck, unload all the tools. Tomorrow we're probably gonna be working at our shop for a little bit, cutting or drilling holes for our plate steel. I'll show you guys at DoorDash. We are putting some strongback steel on the wall we poured, or not poured, laid and opened up, just to give it some more strength. You gotten any closer? Turn your truck off?
Did I?
That's my truck that's still on.
Yeah.
Let me see if my card works. I've never seen anyone get this close to the pump in my life. I don't know what he's doing. Good. Just come here for off-road diesel. It's worth it.
Yeah. What is the offer?
$3.99.
Yeah. That's insane. That's regular. $5.29.
Yeah. Did I hear a train? Well, I think I can get this guy to honk. Just now leaving the gas station. We are back to drop off the skid steer and unload some of our trucks at our shop, and then we will call it quits for the day. Nice and toasty.
A little bit.
Got it, Will?
Oh! There one.
Leave me here.
Yeah. Left you a chair. But didn't it?
Yeah, right here.
Oh! Alright, Will, I'm out here. See ya. See ya. See you guys tomorrow. We're gonna be at DoorDash tomorrow. And we're gonna be installing all thread and epoxy them into the wall to hold the strong back steel, the 3x3 steel. I'll show you guys all that. And then we're gonna be back at the shop probably the second half of the day, drilling through that thick steel. Our 5/8 all thread, drill a 3/4 inch hole. The back plate will go to the all thread, put the 3x3 tube steel against the back plate, and then you take the other plate and sandwich it, and then you tighten it down with the bolts really hard. And it holds it. It just kind of gives the wall some strength near that opening since it's an older building. And also, they're gonna have forklifts in out of there. I don't know if it's for protection, but it would be one heck of a guard for that wall if there's forklifts driving in and out of there. So, all right, I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow.